Turn off the printer. Open the cover of the printer. Take out all drum units. Don't touch the drum, it's really delicate. Leave the drum units on a flat surface, so that they don't become damaged. Be careful, the light may damage the drum. Hold the green handle of the belt unit, and lift it up. Then, pull the belt out. Take the new belt unit. Don't touch the surface of the belt. Insert the new belt unit. Reinstall the drum units. Close the cover of the printer. And the work is done. Turn on the machine. Press and hold toner button for 5 seconds. Select Belt. Press Yes. The display will show Accepted. Turn on the machine. Press OK and arrow up at the same time. Press OK to select belt. Press arrow up to reset the belt counter.